you're going to do is you're going to work on the root bio, and this is going to be your list of words. Symbiotic, biology, biography, biodegradable, biosphere, and autobiography. So they all have bio in them. And if you remember, bio means life. So they all have to do with something about life. You're going to be looking up these words, and you're going to be filling out this paper. Okay? So the directions say that you're going to you're going to write the word, you're going to write a description and a visual. Okay, so if I'm working on the word, let's go ahead and do biography. And maybe I don't remember what the word biography is. Go ahead and use your computer, find a definition, and you can write it here. A biography is a story written about I should put someone else's life, because we have autobiography, and autobiography is when we write a story about our own life. And then you want to draw something that you can remember the definition. Okay, so I'd write something like this: his life. And just draw whatever you'd like. Remember, we don't have to make it fancy. So after you do biography and you do the rest of the words, you're going to go ahead and cut these all out and find a partner so that you can play like the memory game, where you can flip them over and flip 3, and if you get all 3 you can keep them, and whoever gets the most sets wins that round. Okay, so that's the first thing you're going to do. And here's the list of words again: symbiotic, biology, biography, biodegradable, biosphere, and autobiography. What you might want to do is pause the video and copy those. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to do page 39 in your workbook, 39 and 40, so it's the front and the back. So tear out page 39, put your name, your section, don't forget your section, first and last name, your section, and today's date. Then you're going to find the correct word to complete each sentence. He wrote a blank about his life as a dancer, singer, and actor. And here are the words that you can choose from. So each one has words that you can choose from. Then at the bottom, read the following pairs of sentences containing words with the root bio. Within each pair, one of the sentences uses the word correctly, and one of the sentences uses it incorrectly. Circle the sentence that uses the word correctly. Circle the sentence that uses the word correctly. So you're going to read each sentence, and one of them is wrong. Circle the correct one. And so you'll do this for these 3 and the ones on the back. The last thing you're going to do is tear out page 37. And you're going to do 37 and 38, the front and the back. First name, last name, your section, and the date. And we're going to be combining sentences using who, whom, or whose. Who replaces a subject. And this is usually a person, usually. Whom replaces an object, a thing, or refers to rather, refers or replaces the person or the thing. And whose indicates possession. It belongs to. So here's our example. Tom is in my class. I borrowed Tom's book. So this is an object. So we're going to use, and it belongs to Tom. If we're talking about belonging, it's whose. Tom, whose book I borrowed, is in my class. So you're going to combine these sentences, and then there's some on the back as well. As soon as you have those two done, go ahead and turn them in. You can play the matching game as soon as you're done with all that work. Make sure you find a partner to go ahead and do that. And then you will listen to the instructions to go ahead and move on to iExcel.